Let's learn IIB. Today I will demo the use of REST request node by using the sample project provided by IBM. A simple application has been created containing a message flow for which receives XML data over HTTP. The XML data is passed to REST request node. The request node property specifies the request parameters. The REST API implements a GET operation in which a graphical data mapping node is used to retrieve information about the user based on input data. When you click on import, three projects will be created in your workspace. 1. REST API, 2. Application project, 3. Shared library. Let's start with the first REST API called REST Request API. It has a mapping node used for transforming the input data. You see here that it picks up user number from local environment.rest.input.parameters and assigns it to output route.json.data.usernumber. Now, moving on to the second flow called REST request client. Here, we use XPath expression and assign it as REST request parameter. See properties view on screen. Third project called REST request underscore shared library contains data models used by other two projects. It contains XML model and REST Swagger file. Let's first deploy and test REST request API project. Pass in path parameter to the API and execute JSON and expect to get a JSON message in response for HTTP GET call. You see that based on input path parameter, response JSON message varies. That logic is written in mapping node. XML version of it is shown on screen. Next, we will use flow exerciser to trigger HTTP post method with XML data to REST request client application. Sample messages are preloaded into the toolkit by IBM. Just click send. When you use flow exerciser, it records the messages at various points in your flow. See the response from REST API recorded by flow exerciser. Without one line of ECPL, three IIB projects worked in unison. What is your preferred coding methodology? Is it ECPL in compute node, XPath in node properties, or mapping node? Reply in comments.